Good morning, everybody. Noodle Thumb here, and today I've got for you this quick set Smartkey Generation 3. This is a 5-slider lock with a reverse sidebar. From the user perspective, this is cool because this lock is cool because you can take a new one of these, and if you open it with the key that comes with it, insert a tool into there and push the core back a little bit. It disengages the sliders. Then you can insert your own key. Say if you're rekeying your back door, you have a front door key already that you like. You can put that front door key in here. After that's depressed, you can close the lock, and then your front door key works for your brand new back door. From the picking perspective, the interesting thing is if you put tension on the core and try and pick the sliders, you get no feedback because of this reverse sidebar mechanism. So what you have to do is put tension on that reverse sidebar. That will give you feedback on your sliders. They have very thoughtfully left this gap right next to the plug. And the way we tension this lock is I've got a pounded flat paper clip. Has to be narrow enough to fit in that slot where the sidebar goes. So I'm going to shim this in the side, hook it under the housing over the sidebar, and by pushing it in, it'll depress that sidebar into the sliders and hopefully provide me enough feedback to feel what the sliders are doing. So that will not open currently. Alright, so I've got my sidebar tensioner, gotta thread it in, and I think that's in place. I'll know because this first slider will be stiff. If it is not stiff, then I'm in the wrong spot, and it is. So push it in, set the second one, push it in more. The third one doesn't seem to have much feedback, but the fourth one gets stiff. The interesting thing about doing it this way is because I'm tensioning on the front of the sidebar first, that first slider is going to be the first binder. And then as I work successively farther back, the farther back sliders then bind kind of one by one in order. And if I screw it up, then they don't bind at all. I don't think this is fully picked yet. Once all 5 of the sliders are firm, then I can put tension on the core. And I don't think we're quite there yet. There we go. So 4. Nope. So slider 4 is picky here. It unsets really easily. There we go. I think that's what I needed. Okay, so we might be there. I'm going to... I can't quite tell. Nope. So when it's fully set, it's actually pretty hard to pull that tensioner out, the sidebar tensioner, I mean, because the core rotates enough to pinch it. And so we weren't quite there. And so I think I dropped that fourth slider again, like usual. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. We feel firm, so we should be there, I think. So going to, there we go. See that core movement? That tells me that we're good. Now I need to pull the sidebar tensioner out without letting the core turn back. Almost there, and there we go. So there's the Gen 3 Smartkey picked as a special bonus. I'm going to try and rekey this. I haven't actually watched the video on how to rekey it. So here we go. Let's learn together whether I can figure this out or not. First, I want to take the electrical tape off of my thumb. This is about my fourth or fifth attempt this morning, so my thumb is a little tender. So I think you turn it to a quarter turn. And that little thing is not sized right. I'll try this pick tip. That might be right. Okay. And then put this in there. Nope, it won't go. So clearly, I'm not where I need to be. Either I haven't turned it to the right angle, or I haven't depressed the setter enough. Let's try it upside down. Ooh, that sounded promising. Okay. My fingers don't work. That feels good. Then turn it back. And I hope I have just rekeyed this. So, I didn't have a working key for it before. And I still don't have a working key for it. Huh. Alright, well, happy Friday. You know how to not reset how to not rekey a Quickset Gen 3 Smartkey. Have a good one, everybody.